Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news we have an enemy battler of a Hoshikuma Doji, a skin-colored demon by Ujie Masala, a character out of A Boy by Yoshiki Sayama, Little Kingdom Adventure, a micro-RPG game packing all the good parts of a traditional RPG in a quick 2-hour adventure, a collection of horror music tracks by Suzuhaya, a music pack of fantasy folk tracks by Rulotami, and a collection of fun music tracks by Fujineko. Now these may appear as paid from the top, but when you open their pages individually, they are actually free. A pack of abstract backgrounds by Joe, and another pack of abstract backgrounds by Void1 Gaming. A pack of around 50 UI and menu related sound effects by Eller. Edits of MZ's RTP Tilesets by Kinakonaki, with the colors of MZ's RTP adjusted to look more similar to VX Aces and MV style. Lands of Astaria Tileset pack by Snowdeckfeld. Bedroom Tiles by Yuki Crimson. And lastly, a video tutorial by RPG Maker Tutorials on how to back up our project with version control using Tortoise Edge instead of the commonly used GitHub. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.